Right guys, we've got this bit of tat. I'm going to try and get that tumble dryer in the middle and put a strap on it. Okay mate, cheers. Let's see if we can get it on and I'll fill you back in. Got a bit more here guys. Some nice heavy trampoline poles. Makes all the difference when these springs look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Get on there. Oh, look at my springs guys. See, I'm bending all already. It's because that suitcase I put on the back, I reckon. Look, we got one side up there. Oh. Woo. Right, that's on guys, let's go and get some more scrap metal out. Right guys, we've got some more here, got a lot more here now. This is going to finish this load off. Let's get it on. Oh, there's a fair bit here. Little bed frames, there's a bike, a TV, a lawnmower. I'll probably get some more out that skip, you know. Yeah, we'll get it on. Nice bit of scrap. That's what I like to see. Get all this on top of that stuff there, because otherwise it'll just break. Well, not break, blow off. And as I pile it all on, and I'll put a strap on it. Big scooter there, look. Yeah. I'm on there. Oh. I'm just wondering if there's any more in the skip, because that's a nice little BMX, eh? Like that. Put that there in a minute. Put that on last so I can get it off first. Fair bit of the old scafferoon here. Try and get this stuff straight so I can just throw it on, eh? Oh, it's really awkward and hard. Okay, that's on. Still good? Yeah, I'm still good. Right. get some this side. Yeah, it still ended up that side, look. I'm saving these two pieces to put on top. Yeah, look. I don't think there's much weight on this one side, you know. The springs out straight this side. This is very careful. It's going to end up a Mickey Mouse load. I mean, the one side's got a lot of weight on. TV, another couple of scooters, and that bed. Let's get these on there. I'll put that on top. Get on there. Dangerous. All right now, mate. this on top if we can. Strap it on. Alright. There we go. I think that's it, guys. I'll have a look in the skip if I don't mind. I don't think I'll mind. I don't think there's anything else in there. I think that's it. I just took them. No, that's it, guys. That's everything and everything. Bit more there. I'm going to stuff out now, guys. I'm going to get some more tap. Right, got a bit more scrap here. What we got? Tumble dryer, bar stool, oh, and a box of stuff. It's a stripe there off someone's army jacket. Some stuff that I could probably get out of there if I just, because that tin's been squashed. Oh, an army helmet. I think one of the time that had a cushion in or something. That. Copper ball. I don't know what that is. I've not got a clue what that is. Something army. Not got a clue. Let's have a look. Let's put it out here. Oh, there's a bullet on the back of that, look. See it? A mincemeat. Shear poles. Oh, they got here. Oh my word, what is that? Do you know, I don't even know what that is. It's copper. And there's brass inside with a face. Can you see that face, look? Moulded in. That's off a plough that comes in the ground, I'm sure that is. Some scales. All done. See, that's what we got. That little army helmet. Some army stuff in that army tin, some stripes or something, and some poles. It looks like a canteen, but I don't think it is. I think you'd like that because the wick in it's brand new. Oh yeah, look at that, look, it's been made. Someone's made that. See, I open that. I reckon you like them wicks there or something. I ain't got a clue. That might be original, I don't know. It looks like someone's made it there. Some scales, that, and whatever that contraption is. Brass set in stone on a copper top. Yeah, so that's what we got, guys. Let's go and get some more scrap metal out. Right, guys, this load is done. Springs are bent. I'm gonna go. I could get some more on, but I've got to get out and sort it out. But I ain't gonna get no more, and I'm not gonna put any more on because of the weight. But yeah. This load is done. We'll wait for the weighing now, guys. Them springs are quite bent. They've got a slight bend in this side and proper bent the other side. But yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm good. It's a good load. more than welcome to have a guess. That's ready to go and scrap in. Won't be Monday because it's bank holiday, but Tuesday we'll be taking it in to weigh in. And like I say, you're more than welcome to have a guess what weight's on. There you go, guys, and as always, if you've liked my channel, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out massive. Thank you very much, guys. Catch you on the next one.